Hello. Welcome back to my channel, and you're probably thinking, Emma, why are you in a different room? Well, I will tell you right now, I'm going to be doing a vlog. Hopefully it will turn out good. But before anything starts, please go subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. And do not forget, I am doing a giveaway for 100 subscribers. So go click the notification button, go into the description below, and see what you should do. Today, well, I'm in the kitchen, guys, obviously. But today I'm going to be doing a vlog because I just told you. Okay, so I'm going to be vlogging me in the Minnesotan weather. So this is what I have to wear. Oh my god, can you hear that? If you can't, there's like wind pushing through the door and it's like annoying, but oh my god, I have not been outside in a while. Okay. This is oh my god. Oh no. So that's how much it snowed. It's me, Zoe. So it's too cold to be out there. Beyond cold. I'm going to take a break. It's super cold. I'm gonna go stand by the fireplace. I'm so cold. I'm by the fireplace. I'm gonna do it again. I'm outside and I want to go on top of the big snow hill because I'm a true Minnesotan. I'm gonna go do it. It's so cold. I'm not wearing any gloves, so this is the mountain I want to climb on. I can't even go on top of it. I'm on top of the hill, guys. This is probably a really boring video. So I'm going, oh my god, I fell through the snow. Oh my god, the snow on my shoe. Okay, I am back inside and I am beyond cold. Yeah. I'm going to show you some videos now of me air skydiving thingamajiggers and some other videos of things that I've been doing like during the snow days. So let's see. Can you guys stop it? I want my butt balloon. Zoe, what are you doing on my shirt?